Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at WebBiz Developer. Just by way of full disclosure, the goal of this video is to provide you with an honest review of this product. However, there will be a link to the sales page listed in the video description down below. If you click on that link, it's just going to take you to the sales page. If you do choose to purchase this product through that link, I will receive a commission, but my goal, as always, is honesty. I want to steer you away from bad products, steer you towards good products, and especially show you what to expect with these products so that you can make up your mind as to whether or not it's going to be a good product for you. So we're trying to get around the hype. I am going to give this a positive review, and here's why. Okay, so what this is a combination of training and software to kind of give you, there's a lot of stuff you're going to get in one package here. And there's a lot of systems that we look at. A lot of them I don't give good reviews to. One of the reasons for that is a lot of the sales pages tend to be massive and be nothing but hype. Okay, now we do see this is a lot of copy, but I wouldn't say that this is necessarily hype. This is describing the product. We're not being sold a lifestyle here. This is telling us basically about the product. It's trying to sell the product. That's what I want. I have no problem with lots of copy, but don't sell me on how wonderful the product will make my life. Sell me on the product. Don't sell me the dream. Sell me the product. Okay, so we're down here. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get a fill-in-the-blank one-click software system. Okay, so this is going to instantly create your own fully branded system. You're not going to have to install anything. This is going to be an online software as a service. Okay. We want to get down to, here we go. We've got over-the-shoulder training videos. Now, if you're not sure what over-the-shoulder is, that literally means that you're watching someone else do everything step by step. Okay, over-the-shoulder software training videos are invaluable where you're dealing with software as a service. It's going to help you get started fast. It's going to be, it's something you can go back and you can view over and over again. You can pause it, do step A, go back, push play, pause it, do step B, so on and so forth. Okay, it's going to show you, it's going to allow you to create, design, manage, and develop a web business easier than before. It's going to help you to master an array of web development tools. Now, there's other programs, other softwares, other services that will do this. Okay, there's a lot. One of the things you're going to get in the front end, this is a $10 front end product. Pretty much anytime, especially if you haven't tried one of these before, there's definitely some I would steer you away from. But you're likely going to, if you're new to affiliate marketing, you're almost certainly going to pick up something that you haven't seen before with a program like this. Okay, you're gonna learn some stuff. You're gonna learn some tools you probably haven't seen. Okay, you're going to learn how to have web design, e-commerce, customer management, marketing tools all together in one place. Okay, so this is basically what the software is doing for you. It's going to allow you to create a unique online presence with a gorgeous website. Okay, and again, you don't need to be super tech savvy. It's going to teach you how to easily design and develop a professional web business. It's going to teach you how to sell products, manage fulfillment. Okay, so customer experience basically with a leading e-commerce platform. It's going to give you a fully hosted one-click sales system. So again, what this is the primary bulk of the product is you're going to get the training, but ideally what it's doing is teaching you how to use the online software to do everything for you. Fully hosted, can be activated instantly, pay out 100% of the profits for every sale that is made, built-in high profit sales funnel. Okay, so this is going to be, again, there's no product that we look at that's going to be everybody's cup of tea, with rare exception. I think the one exception I would make is the 2000 cookies PLR, because it's 2000 cookies, like actual cookie recipes, and I just don't know anybody who doesn't benefit from cookie recipes. That just makes the whole world happier. But apart from that, I don't think I've ever looked at a product and said everybody should buy this or everybody should check this out. This, I think, is something that certainly is going to go across a lot of different boundaries, a lot of different niches of online incomes, and probably be helpful to you. But a lot of this is going to be pre-set up stuff. Okay, one-click promo tools, swipes, and ad copy. Top traffic methods and ad sources, gold membership pass, activation and learning center. Okay, so here we go. There's basically everything you're going to get. We've got some FAQs down here. Always check this stuff out before you go into a product like this. Make sure that you have read the fine print. Now, that's all well and good. What do I especially like about this? Well, I'm going to take you over to the JV page, and we're going to look at, these are the one-time offers. Okay, so this is the front end, the WebBiz Developer training software and sales system. Okay, this is basically what you are getting with this. At no point is there a one-time offer that is unlocking this. There's no unlimited, there's no unrestricted. You're getting the full product up front. You're getting exactly what we just saw. So it's not going to be, hey, you can create one campaign, or hey, you can promote one product, and hey, if you upgrade, you can do 3, and if you upgrade again, you can do 10. There's none of that. It's just giving you the software up front for a one-time price. And that's exactly what I want. Now, there is other stuff you can unlock in here. Okay, so a one-time offer number 1 is the giveaway module. Make your promotion efforts much easier by giving access to free video training. Okay, that's legit. So that we're taking a base product, and rather than unlocking it or limiting what you're buying, what we're doing is we're giving you additional stuff that you can add to that product. Okay, so I like to see this kind of thing, to be honest. Leads module. Okay, instantly convert your system into a one-click leads generator and get paid to build your list. Okay, so we're list building over here, we're email building. We are increasing the amount of recurring traffic we're dealing with by establishing those connections. High ticket module. A traffic module. Again, you're going to get more information on these if you purchase the front end product, but there's no unlimited. There's no unlock this. There's no multiple products. You get it all up front, and I like that. Now, I did look at it. I did not leave it open, so we're not going to look at it today. But do we have a name on here? I know. So I don't remember who this is coming from, but the vendor that this is coming from is they're very well reviewed. They're a top 10% affiliate, top 25% vendor over on Warrior Plus, and they've got a 4.33 out of 5-star rating, which is very, very good for especially anybody who's really had any kind of success. So what that usually tells me is that we're dealing with people who like to deal with quality products and people who've had positive reviews for the products that they've released. Okay, so WebBiz Developer, I like what I'm seeing here, especially if you're new. If you're already using something like this, obviously you probably don't need 3 of these systems, but if you're looking for something, it's affordable. It's a fairly comprehensive looking system. It's basically 90% of it is all done for you. You're just filling out some forms. You're dealing with some minutia, really. It's fully hosted, and you're getting it for $10. I don't think it lists the $10 on here yet because it hasn't gone live as I'm recording this. Let's just take a look. No, so we don't have a price listed here, but I believe the front end is $9.95 US. So it's affordable. It's all there. It's coming to you from a well-reviewed vendor. I have no hesitations in saying, check this out. I think you're going to benefit from it greatly. So that is going to be basically all I have to say for WebBiz Developer. I hope that that's been a helpful review for you guys. Again, go check out some of my other videos, like and subscribe. If you're worried that I do hype videos, there's a lot of videos that have a lot of products that get bad reviews, lots of products get mixed reviews. I'm happy with this because honestly, it feels like it's been a while, as I'm recording this anyway, since I've been able to give many really good, unqualified reviews for products. So check out WebBiz Developer. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you back here again soon.